Alright, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Alright, guys, so yeah, smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, we are here again as usual every Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. We have a very interesting program with Smart FM Makassar, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion with English Communities. Alright, guys, so smart viewers and also smart listeners at home. I'm Naufal. I'm here as a host for all of you guys, and yeah, because we have friends here that coming from a various kind of English communities, especially in South Sulawesi. Before we are going to discuss about the topic, maybe we can how to say keep in touch. Maybe we can keep in touch and get to know them, our friends here, one by one. Maybe we can start from you.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity, Kak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, guys. And let me introduce myself. My name is Firko Najarla, and I am from English Youth Community.
English Youth Community.
Yes.
Okay. It stands for EUC, right?
Yeah, EUC.
Okay.
And
Yeah, can you describe about your English communities?
okay, okay, guys. English Youth Community is one of the community in Makassar, and focuses on focuses not only learning a program but also teaching program, and we have various program like
Wow.
English camp. English camp for comprehension is in school in South Sulawesi like Mando Bulukumba, SMP Negeri 20 Bulukumba.
Oh, so you go out to
Yes.
teach them, right?
Yeah, teach them.
Wow.
And we have already doing English fun day with MTSN Negeri 1 Bulukumba.
Is it like the
MTS
event?
Negeri 1 Makassar.
Oh, event.
Yes. And guys, we have also a special program. The name
Okay.
is
Very
Kampung
special.
Binaan.
Kampung Binaan.
Yeah, Kampung Binaan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you
describe Kampung Binaan again?
Can you describe about it? Because it consists
So
about it.
Kampung Binaan is one village in Goa, especially in Kecamatan Palangga, Timbusang. And
Okay.
in the Kampung Binaan, there are children have not accessed with education, especially in English,
Oh, yeah,
because they have school so far from the house, their village, and we come there. We come, yes,
yeah. To Kampung Binaan,
yeah,
and then
to teach them.
wow,
Yeah.
that's so great,
And
right?
Yeah, and this is the intensive program.
Wow.
Yes.
So it becomes like mandatory, like
Yes.
your special program, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Kampung Binaan. Palangga, right?
Palangga Kecamatan Dusun Timbusang Kecamatan Palangga.
Oh, yeah.
Kecamatan apa ya, saya lupa. I forgot.
Oh my god. Okay, so like they lack of the education of English, of course, right?
Yes, so like, and we teach them about the basic like vocabulary.
The basic material of
Yes,
English,
material.
right?
Just remember the vocabulary and know. At least they know.
At least,
vocabulary in
yeah.
English.
Like how to say, like they memorize
Memorizing.
some of the vocabularies, right?
Because they elementary school.
Oh,
Yeah,
elementary school.
children.
Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of children that is strong about how to memorize the
Yes.
word, right? Okay. Thank you,
Thank you.
Kak Firko, right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
We move to my right side. Okay. Introduce your name, introduce yourself, and also describe about your English meeting club.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hello, smart viewers.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Ihsan Marif. You can call me Ihsan.
Okay, hello Ihsan.
Hello too. Uh, I'm from Goa.
Mhm.
I come from BEMSI, British English Meeting Club,
Mhm.
Indonesia.
Oh, yeah.
BEMSI. I'm representative BEMSI.
Mhm.
So can I describe about BEMSI?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Uh, I want to be describe about BEMSI,
Mhm.
British English Meeting Club, Indonesia.
Okay.
BEMSI, British English Meeting Club, Indonesia. From Goa.
From
From
Goa.
Goa. Uh,
They
we are-
say bridge because we have twin bridge, right?
Yeah. we always discussion
Mhm.
at Balat Lompoa.
Mhm.
And do you know that for programs BEMSI,
Mhm.
we always discussion online English online.
Oh, so
English meeting online.
so you have online meeting and also offline meeting.
Yes, of
right?
course.
Mhm. Oh, that's great.
Two weekly. And then do you know
Twice
that
in a week, you know? Twice in a
Yes.
week. Dua kali.
twice in a week?
Okay.
Okay. And then you know that BEMSI we have a lot of
Mhm.
division.
Wow.
For example, media and publication,
Mhm.
general affairs,
Mhm.
social, economy,
Mhm.
and entrepreneurship,
Wow.
and others.
So
And yeah,
in BMC, they have a lot of members
yes, of course.
nowadays.
We have we have a lot of members, but you know that from on Sunday,
Mhm.
we want to open recruitment.
Mhm. Wow.
Open recruitment, inshallah,
Insyaallah.
at Senior High School 11 Makassar.
Oh, okay. So for your information, guys, BMC open recruitment for
Yes,
the
of
new
course.
member.
Please let's join us.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Kak Ihsan. Okay,
My
Kak Firko,
pleasure. Thank you
Kak
so much.
Ihsan, and we move to my left side. Yeah, the maroon one.
All right, so thank you.
Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Kayla Zahra, and also same with Iksan, I'm from BEMC,
Mhm.
and just like what Iksan said before, we has lots of division, and also we had several benefits. If you guys
Okay.
wanted to join our community, we have several
Mhm.
benefits, which is you might also get some networks with people around the region, and
Mhm.
also there are several members that coming from different region. Obviously, just like its name, BAMSI,
Yeah.
British English Meeting Club
Yeah, yeah,
Indonesia.
yeah.
And also, we except for the weekly meeting, we also have several programs too
Mhm.
that currently about to being held on the next generation, which is short class, and we also might have a night movie, and also there are several kinds of programs including debate club and even book club. So if you guys interested to join into
Okay.
our community, you may joining the open recruitment obviously
Yeah.
next
Okay.
week.
Okay, so I'm interested about the book club and also the night movie. I want to join BMC in that two programs because it's very interesting, right?
Yeah, sure thing. It is a new program in
Ah,
terms
okay.
actually.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, thank you, Kayla, Firko, Ihsan, Kayla, and the last one. Okay. Tell us.
Students to develop their analytical thinking, communication,
Wow.
and structured argumentation skills. Second, we have TMM or the Mic Master.
Mhm.
It's provide a venue for students to enhance their public speaking abilities.
Oh.
Okay, the
Yeah,
third
that's great.
for people who listen this podcast, can you guess it?
What is
okay.
that?
Okay, third is Creative Writers Forum.
Wow.
So it offers to give space for students to their writing interests and talents. Four, we have the preparation of overseas study club.
Wow.
Is designed for students Yes, for students who interested in international mobility, like for study,
Mm-hmm.
work, or migration. 5, we have study of English education department link facilitators for students
Mm-hmm.
to develop social skills to build a relationship with various stakeholders, include clients,
Mm-hmm.
investors, government
nice.
institute, and communities.
Okay.
Last, we
Mhm.
have the Seed of English Study Club. Is provide as a platform for students to enhance their language English language skill. So that all programs we have.
Mm-hmm.
And if you guys want to know more about us, you can check our Instagram HMJPBI
Okay, thank you, Kak Wawa. Okay, because both of us we are not academic student anymore. So, is it possible if we can join Sita?
Yeah.
Because we are graduated.
Never mind.
Okay, just kidding. Because that's a very interesting program to how to say, to the students, right? To the students.
Yes.
Is it not only for UIN, but
For external. I think it's for inter. It can be for external too.
oh, okay? So that's very great program.
For my opinion,
Mhm.
right? Okay. For my opinion, I think is the preparation of overseas study club
Okay.
because you can make plan
Mhm.
if you're done with your college student at campus, and then you went to work in then you went to work in another
It means
city.
like it's very beneficial to our future, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so smart viewers and also smart listeners, we have them as our special guests for this evening. And yeah, welcome in our program, and maybe we can make applause first for us. Okay. So because our guest already here and with us, maybe we can move to our topic for this evening, the silent generation. Okay, maybe all of you guys has like have browsed about the silent generation itself, right? Okay, yeah, because the silent generation, it refers to the people that born roughly about between 1928 and 1945. It means like the situation like in the end of World War II, right? Perang Dunia Kedua. Okay, so the situation is very very hard, right? They the people who born in 1928 until 1945, it must be so old if they still alive right now. Okay, yeah, and yeah, they are called silent. They are called the silent generation. The characteristic of the silent generation itself, like they grew up during the times of the war. The like the political issue, like the economic war itself. It's very very hard in their life, right? And also they stay quiet, and also they focus to their how to grow their own abilities to how to say, to survive in that era, right? So my first question to all of you guys, what do you think, what is the first thing that you comes to your mind when you hear about the silent generation itself? I mean, like, what is the first thing you yeah, that comes to your mind when you hear at the first time the silent generation? Yeah, ketika pertama kali kamu dengar the silent generation itself. Okay, maybe Kaisan want to answer my first question. The first answers from Kaisan. Okay.
Thank you so
Mhm.
much for your question.
Mm-hmm.
I think silent generation for me,
Mm-hmm.
silent generation, the silent generation is the generation born
Mm-hmm.
between 1928
Mm-hmm.
and 1925.
Okay.
The situations,
Mm.
the situations, World War Two,
Yeah. The end.
yeah,
The
World War
period.
Two and post-war
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
and
That's right.
post-war. I think, they are amazing generation
Mm-hmm.
because they has characteristic,
Mm-hmm.
including,
Mm-hmm.
I think, the first, they are disciplined and
Oh.
hardworking.
Mm-hmm.
Number two, they are, do you know that, from loyal,
Mm-hmm. Oh, so you mean like they are a loyal generation?
loyal for
For what?
war, loyal for war.
Then?
Yeah, and then, do you know that they are respectful,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true.
respectful for children,
Mhm.
children,
Mm-hmm. Children.
respectful for adults
Mm-hmm.
and elderly.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think the first my mind.
Mm. Oh,
Thank you.
when you first time hear about the cell generation, do you means like so confused about the generation? Waktu pertama kali dengar the silent generation itself, bagaimana menurut kamu?
Yeah, I just answer your question. The first hear about silent generation.
Yeah, you must be very
Yeah, sorry, I forget it. But
Okay. Mhm.
the first my hear silent generation is, amazing,
Oh.
amazing
Mhm.
generation.
Okay, thank you, Kaisan. We move
Okay,
to
thank you.
the next speaker, Kak Firko, maybe. Yeah. Okay. So, what comes to your mind that when you first time hear about the silent generation itself?
Yeah. Thanks for your question. Maybe same from your say before
Mhm.
that I'm so confused. What
Yeah.
the silent generation? That silent.
Is it silent?
Yeah. And my first impression is
Mhm.
maybe like avoidant people or yeah, like that.
Oh.
But after I searching
Mhm.
in ChatGPT, I'm not gonna lie, I asked ChatGPT what the
Okay.
silent generation,
Uh-huh.
and the silent generation is obedient people,
Mhm.
obedient government to environment.
Okay.
Yes, obedient environment to government like
Okay.
this.
It means like you know the slogan talk less do more.
Let's do more is
Uh,
our slogan in English youth
oh,
community.
wow, that's
Yes.
good.
Like that.
Okay.
Okay, and silent generation, I think is a hard situation
Yeah, yeah.
when live without technology, and I'm so imagine
Mhm.
what they're to apa ya, kayak menjalani gitu.
Yeah, to
Yeah.
survive.
Yeah, survive their life
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in that era in the past,
Mhm.
like that.
Okay. So, what is in your mind? Like, why the generation is called silent?
Yes, yes. Why the generation so silent? Because I think they have a little information
Oh,
to
yeah.
to learn how to speak up their
Mhm.
statement,
Mhm.
their mindset, like
Uh-huh.
that.
So on that era, on that era,
Yeah.
there are no public speaking class.
Yeah, we have so much source
Yeah.
to learn more.
It's different between
Yeah, different in the past.
in the past, like the silent generation. Right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kak Firka. We move to Kak Wawa. Okay. Kak Wawa, what is your statement about my first question?
Okay, so we know that is silent generation is the people who born and live in the years in 109 1000 1928 until 1945,
Okay.
and is the people they think do action more than words, and the important things is not the political things, but the most important is about the action, how they show it.
Oh, yeah.
So if you ask me what my first reaction, I think is impressive because when we talk about silent generation, I had remember of Nelson Mandela. So oh yeah.
He is my grandfather.
Yes.
Okay, just kidding, just kidding.
Is the best person I know because he's so cool, he's so brave to shot the people who have high position in the city. Even though he was on jail, but the end he completed about to show his action about the races. So it's a really impressive about silent generation, especially if we talk about Nelson Mandela.
Okay, so it was like the situation from the silent generation itself, because they were called silent because they still focus how they acting, how they work, like itself, like how they survive in their lives. They focus not to speak up more. Okay, yeah, you move to Kayla about the question itself.
All right, about the same question, I think the first thing I thought about silent generation, it might sound silly since I never knew about silent generation before.
Yeah, me too. Because, my
What is-
the
what is
first thing
silent
I hear the
generation?
silent generation, silence. Oh.
And here I thought that silent generation
Yeah.
is the one who's born in a generation where they don't get the right to speak.
Yeah.
I thought it was that, but when I'm browsing things on the internet, I got some new knowledge about what is silent generation. Since I don't really learn about history, so it is actually fascinating to know about the silent generation,
That's true.
where they are actually busy on defending their country, especially if you talk about Indonesia, people who was born on 1928.
It's very related to us.
1945, yeah, sure thing. Like, how do they defend the country?
Yeah.
How do they defend their culture? Like, so it makes me feel fascinated about how they actually survive in the era while having no advanced weapon, and also they being colonized by many countries, right? So it opens my mind about the generation that I never heard of before.
Yeah. So the silent generation is not avoidant people, right?
Yes.
But it's very different because the silent generation is more work hard. We take the sentence work hard is very related to the silent generation, right?
Yeah, it's more than that.
Okay, thank you, Kak Kayla.
Alright.
And my next question, if you can imagine, membayangkan, if you can imagine you are living in that era, in the silent generation era, can you feel it right now? Right? What do you think would be, the hardest thing that might be come to your life if you live in that era, if you live in the silent generation era, and how you can deal with the situation, right? Okay, maybe Kak Firko.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you. Okay. What my imagine?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, if
Mm.
you
Live in
this silent
that era.
generation, yeah.
Okay.
Do you still silent? Okay.
Okay. I imagined before,
Mhm.
and I'm so upset.
Oh.
I'm so upset,
Mhm.
and I wanna run with other countries. Maybe I cannot.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
cannot live in
That's
the
the
era.
fact.
Yes, in the fact, and it's mean like we must do hard work, but
Mm.
we have integrity.
Yeah.
Integrity, like what we say, what we do,
Mhm.
like that. But I think I cannot live in the era because I can survive my personality. I can survive my passion, my hobbies, like right now. And I'm so imagine what the weather
Mhm.
in the past are
Yeah.
so hot. Yes, like that.
Because
And
in the past, there lack of transportation.
yes, transportation. And we must to walk walk
Uh-huh.
more.
Yeah.
To, yeah. Then
There is no bicycle. I think. Oh.
There is.
There was a bicycle. Okay.
And if we have motorcycle, maybe
Mhm.
we don't have what this benzene in English. Yeah, like this. Yeah, maybe so difficult to get this.
Yeah, the gasoline.
Yeah,
Mhm.
gasoline.
Okay, it's hard to find a gasoline in the era. It's very expensive.
But I think
Uh-huh.
there's no corrupt people in the
Mhm.
past
Yeah.
about the gasoline. Yeah, if
TED
you know,
Talk,
you
TED
know.
If you know, you know. Okay.
Okay, maybe
Okay, yeah.
that.
Yeah, we move to Kayla. Okay, what is your argumentation about? Can you imagine living in that era?
Okay. If I were to imagine I live in the era, I guess it's gonna be a difficult time for
Yeah.
me since we know that there's no advanced transportation,
Mhm.
and also maybe the electricity even
Yeah.
not for advanced
Mhm.
like
Not
in this
expand,
era.
not expand like right now.
Yes, and
There's just like in several country.
yeah, and also how would you imagine how to live? You need to work hard, but also it is difficult to get some resources,
Yeah.
right? Like the food,
Mhm.
water. It is difficult in the era since people are actually going on and on with the war,
Mhm.
and also it is gonna be difficult to defend the country, right?
Mhm.
Especially for us who come from this generation where we got all the how do I say that? We have all the
How to say?
we
Just
have-
like in
yeah.
Indonesia.
I don't know what is the word in Indonesia. I forgot the word.
Yeah.
have
Just
all-
talk about the research. Mhm.
Talk about the resource. It's a little bit difficult for people if we from this era where resources is everywhere.
Yeah.
It is a little bit
We can
difficult
find in
to get,
any place.
especially when it comes to food. At that time, food is a little bit expensive for several citizens. Like
Mhm.
they can afford some sweet potato, but it is
Yeah.
difficult for them to afford some rice, right?
Yeah, that's
Right.
right.
It is a little bit difficult on that side for
Mhm.
for me.
Wow, yeah. So you're difficult about the resorts, yeah.
Since living to live we need resources, right?
Yeah. In the silent generation, you have to become more a frugal life, frugal.
Yes.
Hemat, menghemat.
Yeah, we need to live with whatever the environment gave us.
Yeah. We have to become more, how to say, bersyukur. Yeah, we should feel grateful for that. Okay. Yeah, we move to Kaisan. How about you? Can you imagine if you're living
Can
in that
you-
era?
Can you repeat
Mm.
again?
Yeah. Just describe if you can imagine. Yeah, you imagine that you live in that era. You live with the people who are in the silent generation itself. In the
Wow.
situation like that, we discussed about it before. You know, the in the political environment, the
Okay.
economical, and like the Kayla said before, the resource is very very hard
Okay.
to how to say we yeah to get it.
Okay. I answer your question.
Mm-hmm.
If I imagine
Yeah.
living in era
Mm-hmm.
silent generation,
Yeah.
it is a difficult situation.
Okay. So do you prefer to become silent?
Uh, uh, okay, I describe
Mhm, okay,
about
okay.
in living era.
Yeah, live in that era. Okay.
If you live in silent generation, do you know that it is a difficult
Yeah.
situation?
Yeah.
Why? Why? Because we live colonial era in
Mhm.
Indonesia.
Yeah, we still
Do you know?
colonized,
Yeah.
right?
Do you know that from in era Netherlands and Japan?
Mhm. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Netherlands and Japan live in Indonesia.
Mhm.
And do you know that it is difficult for transportation?
Yeah.
It is difficult education.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It is difficult. Do you know that for economy
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
and social and others? And do you know that a silent generation grow up? Yeah,
Mhm.
they live grow up in World War
Mhm.
II and post war,
Mhm. Yeah.
and yeah, it is it is
Yeah, yeah.
difficult situation
I can I can see that you are very difficult to live in that era.
and do you know that
Mhm.
the situation is not easy.
Mhm.
The
Yeah.
situation is
You more agree about it.
a lot of people know Indonesian.
Mhm.
Yeah, but
But
a
yeah,
lot of
you can.
people from Europa and Japan. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
But the positive one is you can learn a lot of language. Yeah.
Yeah,
Languages.
you can learn a lot of English. For example, Dutch, Japan.
Mhm, yeah.
But do you know if we if
Mhm.
if they want share together?
Oh.
But I think it is a difficult situation.
Uh, you mean like we have to become autodidact to learn the language? We have to learn by ourselves.
Can you repeat again?
Yeah, yeah. You mean like we have to work hard to learn the language because they colonize us. They don't want to share together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it is the colonial situations.
Yeah. It's
The
so
colonial
bad.
situation. Education. Yeah. Education is difficult.
Yeah.
From learn a lot of language.
Yeah.
But you know that it is just a people rich.
Mhm.
Do you know that?
Yeah.
Only
It
the
is
rich
just
people.
a lot of people rich from study a lot of language,
Okay.
but not public people maybe.
Okay, so
Mhm.
it means like there is an available search to find more and learn more about the language, right?
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Okay, thank you guys, San.
Okay,
Yeah, you move to
then yes.
Kawawa.
Thank you.
Okay.
For me, it
Mhm.
will be really annoying because
Oh, annoying. Yeah.
because even you want to find food, it's really difficult
Mhm,
because
yeah.
beside that, I really eating food. Like if
You are eating too much.
like if I have free time, I will eat. But yes,
Share to me.
yes.
Sure. Please explain.
Okay, okay. And then?
So it's a difficult, so it's a really difficult things. But beside that, we can see the positive. Like if I live in silent generation, I think maybe I can learn how the definition of hard work. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. Yeah. Keep your statement, and yeah, we move to my next question. Okay.
Yes, okay.
My next question is the silent generation is often see like as a people who are rarely to express their emotion, jarang, ya, rarely express their emotion, jarang mengekspresikan perasaannya, emosinya, right? And my question is, do you think that is it a weakness or is it the strength of that generation? Apakah itu kelemahannya atau kelebihan dari the silent generation itself? Okay. Do you get my question, guys?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe Kak Wawa want to answer my question. Do you think that is it like a weakness or a strength of the silent generation itself if they are rarely to express their emotion?
Actually, it depends.
Mhm.
If we talk in this generation, it's a weakness because
Yeah.
it's really hard if you just your word to communicate with other
Mhm.
without your action. Like in Indonesia, we just call it bacot. Yeah, because you're not show your action.
Mhm. Yeah.
But if we talk about in silent generation
Mhm.
in the years,
Okay.
yeah, it's the switch. It's not the weakness.
Okay. So it's
Yeah, it's
strength.
strange
Mhm.
because I think they not understand
Mhm.
how to say the sentence, so they just show with
Mhm.
the action.
Yeah.
Yes.
You mean like they more to how to say, to show their action, right?
Yes.
Then speak up. Yeah, because yeah, as a Z generation, yeah, we how to say, we can express more about our emotion. Like there's a lot of public speaking class in this era, and also all of us want to develop. We want to grow up and also develop our the skills, our abilities to survive absolutely in this era, right? Okay, thank you, Kawawa. We move to Kak Firka. Yeah.
Okay. Can you repeat your
Okay.
question?
Is,
before?
is it the weakness or the strengths if the silent
Express
generation,
their emotion.
yeah,
Yes.
rare to express their emotion?
Okay. In my opinion, express our emotion is something we need.
Yeah.
Yeah, as a
That's
as a
right.
human.
Yeah, it's very
As a
important,
human,
right?
it's important, right? It's important thing, because if we don't express our feeling, we cannot know who is ourselves,
Mhm.
and the relationship in this era, we have someone to talk.
Yeah.
like that.
we need
Yeah,
someone to talk to
we need someone to talk
express.
to express our emotion. And in the silent generation, maybe
Mhm.
they haven't access with express emotion like
Yeah.
psychiater, like
Uh,
psychiater,
wow.
psychologist.
Yeah. I can
Yeah.
imagine that.
Yeah.
Need psychology.
Yeah. And
Yeah, psychiater, right?
and maybe can make our brain so like crazy.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Okay. So it means like in the silent generation is like the strength,
Is a weakness.
the weakness.
Yes.
Okay.
Weakness. And we so need like parenting knowledge,
Mhm.
like
Yeah.
that. And can can being a foundation for our future.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So you mean like the silent generation, if they are rarely to express their emotion, it's a weakness because it's very important to us to
Yes.
express our emotion. Yeah, because nowadays, me too. I need someone to talk, so I
We're
download.
just human.
Yeah, yeah. It's very human. I download Telegram and I search for a friends to talk with me by online. Yeah, and also I search for mutual in the social media.
Like Anonymous.
Yeah, anonymous. The bot. Okay. Thank you, Kak Firko. Yeah, we move to Kak Kaila.
Oh, so about the question, is it strength or weakness to rarely show emotion? If you talk about the silent generation, I think it is the strength for them since they got no time for their emotion. They need to work hard since to live in the era they need work hard more.
Yeah, I got it because in that era we didn't have how to say the social media, the internet, like all of us, in the TikTok, we try to express our emotion. We
Yeah.
try to how to say to describe,
Yeah.
to make someone else watch our lives,
Yes.
and yeah, in the silent generation, there's no internet and in the
Yep.
era. Okay, yeah.
They don't
continue.
have all those privilege
Yeah.
that we have nowadays, right? Like
They have to search by themselves.
yes, they also need to make a living for themselves, even though like in nowadays our parents are working for us. Sometimes in that era, even children need to work to earn something for themselves, right? It is so difficult that when it comes to really expressing their emotion, it has become a strength so that they can stay strong
Yeah.
to live their lives and so on till how to survive till they grow up, right?
Yeah.
But for this generation to rarely show emotion, I guess it can be a weakness since some people who rarely show their emotion, they are getting used by their boss,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
In
yeah.
some of the corporate like in the business firm, if you don't say that you are tired of something, you are always getting job again and again, right?
Yeah.
You know that. And
I know.
it can be a weakness
Yeah,
since some people are tend to ignoring other people's feelings,
yeah.
right? It can be also a
It
strength.
seems like avoidant people.
Yes, lots of people are
Yeah.
avoidance about other people feeling, right?
Yeah.
So it can be beneficial for us
Yeah.
to show more emotion in this era. But it
That's
also
right.
can be a strength for some people who need to work hard too.
Yeah.
So it can depends on each individual.
Okay,
Absolutely.
so it depends like the individuals, not the generation, right?
Yeah, sure thing.
Okay. I mean like I remember about my grandfather Nelson Mandela,
Yeah,
yeah, they work hard at the
Yeah.
time, they sell, they sell a lot of things to survive in his life. But yeah, my grandfather is nowadays passed away.
Yes.
Okay, not Nelson Mandela, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. We know that.
Okay, maybe we move to my last question, and Kaisan want to answer first. Okay, my last question. If you could represent Generation Z, yeah, you represent as Z generation, right?
Yeah.
What message would you want to give to them if they still alive? Okay, apa pesan yang ingin engkau sampaikan sebagai generasi Z kepada orang-orang yang di silent generation, kalau memang dia masih hidup, if they still alive? Okay, what do you want to say to them? What is your message?
Okay.
It's up to
I
you.
answer your question. I just message about from silent generation. If a silent generation still alive, they are they are I think they are amazing generation
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because do you know that
Mhm.
they have a lot of
Difficult.
experience.
Yeah.
They have a lot of experience from difficult
Mhm.
situation,
Yeah.
from
Totally agree with that.
difficult live
Mhm.
from economy, social, and others.
Mhm.
And do you know that they are we must learn from silent generation about situation in the past.
Mhm. Okay. So one word. One word. Can
Okay.
you describe in one word about silent generation?
One word.
Satu kata untuk
Yeah.
silent generation. They
You
are.
are you are amazing.
Okay. Yeah. That's true. That's true.
You are amazing.
Okay. Thank you, Kaisan. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Kak Firka, can you describe
Okay.
your message to the silent
Okay,
generation?
for you guys, or so we say guys, for you guys in silent generation people, I just want to say thank you for your effort.
Yeah.
And if you not effort, and if you hopeless in the past, maybe I cannot live in here as a Z generation.
Yeah.
And I'm so miss with my grandmother and grandfather.
Oh, me too.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Firko. Yeah, Kak Kayla.
All right. So also the message that I have for the silent generation is thank you for your hard work. Like we might not have all this privilege in today's life without you guys, and we might not get the independence that we acquire today, and without you guys we might also not be able to learn about hard work more and about the cultures. You are the one who defend the culture. You are the one who defend the country. So
Yeah.
thank you guys.
Okay. One word.
One word for him is strong, I guess.
Strong. Oh,
Yeah, the
okay.
strength
Yeah,
of the
the strength.
country.
Okay. Yeah. The last, Kak Wawa.
Okay.
Your message to the silent generation.
Even tough for now you're not in this generation, but I really thank you so much
Yeah.
because I can learn the definition of hard work from your generation. And
Yeah. One word.
impressive. It's really impressive for the years who born and live in the years.
Okay. Thank you, Kawawa. Okay, so this is the end of our program, our discussion tonight about the silent generation. Don't forget to don't forget to still with us in Smart FM Makassar in the program as in the 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, in the program Smart Real Life English Discussion with English Communities. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.